You're awesome. And because you're awesome, we had such a fun time helping you succeed in your real estate transaction. And now that you've moved on with your new home, we want to make sure your friends and family feel awesome too. We want to help them have an amazing experience, an experience that makes their lives easier and maximizes the return on the sale of their home. When you help us connect with one of your friends or family, you can be sure that they're in great hands. Each time you help us connect with someone you care about who wants to sell their home, you can expect a gift from us in the mail for an all-inclusive movie experience for two. How cool is that? And it's that easy. Because you're important to us and your family and friends are important to you, they automatically receive an upgraded professional photography package and staging consultation for their sale. And you can already feel comfortable introducing us to them because our home sold for over 5% higher than the industry average last year. But we are also willing to invest in intelligent marketing strategies proven to help your friends maximize the sale price of their home. And all of this because your friends are our friends. And we've made it easy for you or your friends to be successful. Just log on and click the introduction link on the menu bar. Submit your info, your friends' info, and watch the magic happen. We're here for you, we're here for your friends, and we're here for the long run. Thank you for your trust in helping us help you and the people you care about.